Welcome to my channel, Modern Talk English.
Traveling by bus is more than just moving from one place to another. It's a chance to learn, save money, meet people, and grow your English skills every single day. When you sit on a bus, you don't just wait. You can read, listen, observe, and practice speaking to others. This is a golden opportunity for beginners learning English. Imagine yourself improving your listening, speaking, and vocabulary while commuting to work or school. Buses are affordable, friendly, and accessible, making them a smart choice for everyone. In this lesson, you will learn how bus travel can help you grow your confidence in English and save money. You'll discover practical tips, new phrases, and habits to make your journey productive and enjoyable. Jack, our main character, is a young man who travels to work by bus every morning. He uses his bus time to learn English, plan his day, and connect with people. By following his routine, you can also make your daily commute a life-changing habit. Stay with me, read carefully, and take notes. By the end of this text, you'll feel motivated to travel smart, learn faster, and speak English better. Let's begin this inspiring journey together and see how traveling by bus can transform your everyday life.
Jack wakes up early every morning. He prepares for work calmly and leaves home with his small backpack. At the bus stop, he sees different people waiting. Some are students, some are workers, and some are tourists. Jack uses this time to greet others politely in English. "Good morning," he says with a smile. This small habit makes him confident and friendly. When the bus arrives, Jack always lets others board first. Inside the bus, he finds a seat near the window. He takes out his notebook and writes down 3 new English words every day. This daily routine is simple but powerful. While traveling, he looks outside, notices street names, and reads every sign in English. This is how he practices reading naturally. Beginners like Jack can easily do this too. By using bus time wisely, you can learn more than you expect. A small journey can become a big classroom. Traveling by bus gives you a natural learning environment. You hear people talking. You see written information. You experience real-life English. Jack always listens to short English podcasts on his phone. He uses earphones and listens carefully to pronunciation. Sometimes he repeats phrases quietly. This is a perfect time to improve listening and speaking without stress. Beginners often struggle to find free time to learn, but bus time is free time. You don't need extra hours at home. You just use the time you already have. Jack's vocabulary grows every week because of this habit. He learns not only new words, but also how people speak in everyday life. This is much better than only reading a book. Traveling by bus becomes his moving classroom. It's like learning without feeling bored. Buses are full of interesting people. You never know who you might meet. Jack once met a tourist from another country. The tourist asked, "Does this bus go to the city center?" Jack smiled and replied in English, "Yes, it does. You can get off after 3 stops." This small conversation gave Jack great confidence. Talking to strangers on the bus is a simple way to practice speaking. You don't need to be perfect. Just be polite and try. People usually appreciate your effort. Beginners can learn greetings, directions, and small talk on buses. These are real-life phrases you can't always learn from textbooks. The bus environment makes it natural to use them. Jack always tries to help when someone asks a question. This builds his communication skills and kindness. One of the biggest benefits of traveling by bus is saving money. Taxis or private cars cost much more. For students and workers, bus travel is a smart choice. Jack saves a lot of money every month because he uses the bus. He uses this saved money to buy English books and apps. This creates a positive cycle. He travels cheaply and invests in learning. Beginners can do the same. When you save on travel, you can spend on education. Buses also reduce pollution and traffic. By choosing the bus, you help the environment. This makes you feel proud and responsible. Traveling by bus is not only good for your wallet, but also good for your planet. Jack feels happy about this choice every day. Jack uses his bus time to build small habits. He reviews his goals for the day. He writes down his tasks in English. This keeps him organized and improves his writing. Beginners can copy this idea. Instead of scrolling on your phone, you can plan your day. You can even write short diary notes in English. These small actions every day lead to big progress over time. Traveling by bus gives you a private space to think. It's like your mini office or study room on wheels. Jack says his best ideas come while riding the bus. This habit makes him feel calm and productive. Bus time becomes his secret weapon for success. When you travel by bus, you see your city from a new angle. Jack notices buildings, parks, and people. He reads shop names and street signs aloud in English. This helps him remember new vocabulary. Beginners can do the same by describing what they see. For example, this is a tall building, or that man is wearing a red jacket. These small sentences improve your thinking in English. Observation builds your confidence and imagination. Traveling by bus is like a free tour of your city. You can discover new places you didn't know. This makes your daily journey exciting, not boring. Jack says the bus teaches him more about his city than school ever did. Traveling by bus can also reduce stress. You don't need to drive. You don't need to worry about parking or traffic. You just sit, relax, and enjoy the ride. Jack uses this time to breathe deeply and relax his mind. He sometimes closes his eyes and listens to calm music in English. This makes him feel refreshed before work. Beginners often feel tired and busy. Bus travel gives them a break. It's like meditation on the move. This relaxed state also helps you learn better. Your brain remembers more when you are calm. Jack arrives at work with a fresh mood every day because of his peaceful bus rides. Buses are usually safe and have clear rules. There are drivers, cameras, and other passengers. Jack feels secure traveling by bus. He also feels part of a community. He sees familiar faces every day. Sometimes he greets them, sometimes he helps them. This builds a sense of friendship and belonging. Beginners can practice social skills this way. You don't feel alone when you travel by bus. It's a shared space where respect and kindness grow naturally. Jack believes that good habits on the bus, like offering your seat or helping someone, make you a better person. These values are as important as learning English. Jack sometimes practices speaking by repeating bus announcements quietly. For example, if the announcement says, "Next stop, Central Park," he repeats it in English with correct pronunciation. Beginners can do this too. It's a fun way to train your mouth and ears. You can also ask simple questions like, "Is this seat free?" or "Does this bus go to the station?"